With the Ethereum network getting congested over time, it started facing a lot of challenges, such as low throughput, that is around 30 transactions per second, which inevitably meant that the gas fees for the users were really high if they wanted the transaction to be considered. Now, this is when three developers from India came together to create the blockchain Polygon, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon is able to process up to 10,000 transactions per second compared to Ethereum's 30 transactions per second. And while you can expect a gas fees of around $20 to $40 on the Ethereum network, Polygon offers the same in way less than $1. But how is this even achieved? While Ethereum operates on the proof of work concept, which implies that a lot of miners come together to solve really difficult problems which requires a lot of computation, Polygon relies on the proof of stake concept, which means that a lot of validators get together to validate the transactions, which is a much more energy efficient and scalable model. And because of this high number of transactions per second and low fees, Polygon has been the number one choice for DeFi applications, and a majority of the DeFi applications are currently developed over Polygon. And not just DeFi, Polygon is moving really fast in the gaming sector as well, with YouTube gaming head Ryan Watt leaving YouTube to join Polygon. But this is not all for the Polygon story. Apart from the Polygon POS chain, Polygon has a lot going on for itself through other projects such as ZK rollups, optimistic rollups, etc. Due to this comprehensive strategy, I'm really excited to see the future of Polygon. Another interesting thing to note here is the fact that Polygon also works on the EVM. That means as a developer, if you have developed an application on Ethereum, you can take the code as it is and use that to deploy it on Polygon. If you're talking about Polygon's native token and a little bit about its tokenomics, then Polygon's native token is called MATIC. It is currently priced at $1.71 and has a market cap of around $13 billion.